वो सारे cliches वह जो true ही होते हैं. This failure teaches you more, etc. etc. I've heard a bunch of people quote this. Kunal Shah has said this a lot, which is it's focused on getting number of experiences a year than number of years of experience. I've said this before. I think I've had so many experiences that's helped. So every phase or every act is really useful. So now I look at some people who are just popping, and I'm like, we've got to play this for 25 years. Yeah. I look at some kids who are arrogant at 21, 22. I'm like, I get it. I was there. The world rewards someone when they bring something that doesn't exist or is scarce. Like, मुझे छोटे छोटे जो बच्चे गेमिंग चैनल कर रहे हैं ना, वो मैसेज करते हैं कि शाउट आउट दे दो या फिर आप मेरे चैनल को प्रमोट कर सकते हो, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ भैया. देन आई वुड लुक एट द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, उनका चैनल खोलता हूँ मैं, उनके चैनल पे देखता हूँ पबजी के गेम प्ले वीडियोज़ है, बहुत सारे 100 वीडियो है, सब पे 10 व्यू, 20 व्यू, 30 व्यू. उस पर ना ही फेस कैम है, ना ही कॉमेंट्री है, बस वीडियोज़ है. तो मैं ये कोई क्यों देखेगा? I'm not saying this to insult them. I'm saying just logically सोचो आप कि एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जहाँ पे हर तीसरा बंदा पबजी वीडियोस डाल रहा है, अगर आपकी पर्सनैलिटी नहीं दिख रही है, अगर आपका आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा है, तो आपका गेम प्ले क्यों स्टैंड आउट करेगा? What are you doing? And I think the desperation to be successful is given more effort than to learn about something far deeper and then create out of it. So did you know that the most popular profession amongst kids used to be astronaut in the 80s? Today it's YouTuber. क्योंकि क्या था उस टाइम पे, किसका नाम फेमस था? जब कोई मून जाता था तब पूरी दुनिया उसका नाम पहचानती थी, राइट? तो यू वुड फील लाइक ओ मुझे वो बनना है क्योंकि सब जय जयकार करे उसकी. आज सब किसकी जय जयकार कर रहे हैं? लोगन पॉल. तो सबको बनना है, सारे बच्चों को बनना है लोगन पॉल. तो आई थिंक ये बच्चों को recognize करना चाहिए. Your quest to make PUBG videos is actually your quest to just be seen in the world. That's what you truly want. Think about it smartly. What is it that's missing? How can I do something that's not there? You have to see what shape the hole is and then shape yourself so you can fit into it. Without finding a hole, you're just, where are you going to be? You're just going to be on top of another pile unless you fit somewhere.
Very nice and sexual.
I know. just सारे होल में घुस जाओ, जो भी होल दिख रहा है घुस जाओ उसके अंदर.
Everything that you said, these are the same thoughts that I went through. Oh no, my favorite pen, that doesn't matter. Give it to me. It's cool, it's cool. It's okay, it's not like I have to buy another one of the same. It's okay. Dude, come on, it's V7s. Doesn't matter.
I don't know what they are.
They're V7s.
You know better than to give me a pen. By now you should know that I will ruin things.
लैपटॉप बंद कर रहा हूँ. ये सब ये आपका आप रखो, ये मैं अपने पास रखता हूँ.
Sorry.
It's okay. We just creep it. This is it. Okay, this is your area. This is my area. Chuna nahi. I mean, now it's not about stand-up, but it's about where we are at right now and where we are going to. And I feel it's very important to ask because I feel like I've always worked with you, and that's how we became friends. Then we stopped working and we stopped chilling. Similarly, with a lot of people. Then I got busy.
I have that equation with I work with friends. That's the only way I work. I don't. If you're not friends with me, I won't work with you. It's as simple as that.
That's what I'm getting to. Saying that that's something that I am doing now.
Yeah.
For earlier, if you look at example Son of a Beach as well, 1, 2, 3, दोस्त लोग आते थे plus celebrity लाते थे. Then Son of a Beach did well. 4, 5, 6, celebrities ज़्यादा, दोस्त कम. So you see the empathy is less on the seasons.
Yeah.
Now I'm like, I recognize it. And that's because I keep doing it, so I get to see it again. I'm like, अच्छा ये ठीक नहीं किया, इसको ठीक करते हैं. How often are you going back to what you've done to learn from it, to refix, or are you just doing?
I'm learning every day. जब मैं सुबह उठता तब मैं 1 घंटा YouTube एनालिटिक्स पे बैठता हूँ. Learning is as important a part of creating as like I give it a lot of time. रोज सुबह 1 घंटा यार, कल का वीडियो कैसे किया, क्यों किया. लाइक मैं जब वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ ना तो पहले 1 घंटे में मेरा अलार्म रहता है. मैं 6 बजे भी सोया होता हूँ तो मैं 10 बजे उठता हूँ. वीडियो आने वाला होता है, मेरे को 1 घंटा देखना होता है. तो आई तो चेंज द टाइटल एट 11 इफ इट्स नॉट डूइंग वेल. फिर 12 बजे एक और टाइटल आता है. आई चेंज द टाइटल. आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली प्लेइंग व्हाट इज नॉट वर्किंग. तो लर्निंग इज इट्स सुपर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सी एनी सोल्यूशन टू बोर्डम is going to lead to boredom eventually. I think I forgot who said this.
this is same thing. I've been watching a lot of videos about boredom and how I do morning journal, right? It's just like if I allow myself to get bored, I create happily, and then I'm able to do so much more.
No,
So-
that's not what I'm saying. I'm
Okay.
saying जो चीज आज boredom solve करी है ना, वो 3 साल में वो boredom solve नहीं करेगी. क्योंकि human brain is wired such कि हमें constantly नया stimulation चाहिए होता है. Constantly. मेरा edit ऐसे मैं क्यों करता हूँ edit? That's the reason. We get bored far easily, and the things that solve our boredom, we get bored of that also. तो you have to learn from your own content. There's no choice. आपको 20 साल survive करना है, आपको audience के साथ grow करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो say goodbye and fuck. Fuck, like Logan Paul. I don't know if you've seen his latest vlogs.
yeah, his later vlogs are.
He's changed his game and how. I love his shit now. I used to not watch his 20-minute shit, but अभी वो 6 मिनट का करता है, and the style he has picked and the way he does it now, I really like it. So you gotta keep, and he's 23. He had to reinvent himself from when he was 20. Can you imagine how quickly this has changed? So when people come and be like, "ये क्यों नहीं चल रहा है मेरा?" I'm like, "Cause you're not. You gotta see what the latest thing is." Yeah.
Or create your latest thing.
Create the latest thing. Find something that people really like, and then do it.
Either, so again, this is how I would probably say it. Identify what you are, self-introspection. Am I a YouTuber? I don't think I am. Do I like making shows? Yes, I do. Am I a stand-up comedian? Yeah, I do like doing that. You like to act in sketches? Oh, fuck yeah. You like to direct sketches? Maybe not as much. Do you like to write sketches? If it's with a group of people. I had to do this on a pen and paper so that I get clarity what I like. Do you like music? Fucking love it. And I'm like, that is my first inflection of like, okay, this is something I like. Because I allowed myself to get bored, because I had a lot of time alone to get bored. So I was like, रात को मैं लिखूंगा, morning pages लिखूंगा. This is something for you that's happened. And is that something-
Create what you love before you until you love to create. It's like reading only, right? Read what you love until you love reading. So I think if you start creating something that you really like, eventually you'll reach a point where you just love creating. तो कुछ भी बनाएगा. And I'm like, I just want to make stuff. It's like that.
It's a momentum based thing.
Yeah.
Don't wait for your first one to do well. Just imagine 20 साल में you will do well.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just telling you now. Keep this in this. I'm just telling you now. I don't know who all I've quoted in this interview. Please don't come at me saying तन्मय इससे चुराया. मैं बता रहा हूँ हर बार जब मैं कुछ quote कर रहा हूँ, मैंने ये यहाँ सुना था, ये यहाँ सुना था, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
It's a good meme opportunity. Tag Tanmay as T series and whatever he said as Ritviz.